showcasing our crochet earrings and necklaces, Handmade Jewellery collection. Dive into our stunning red love heart earrings. These beauties radiate timeless elegance, effortlessly capturing hearts wherever they go. Crafted with care, they feature 925 sterling silver hooks, just like most of our exquisite earring collection. And here's the exciting part. These earrings are just the beginning. Throughout this video, we'll be showcasing an array of our intricate micro-crochet earrings and necklaces. Get ready to fall in love with these charming accessories that are perfect for any occasion. Next, we have the perfect companion to our love heart earrings, the love heart necklace. This dainty heart pendant is designed to adorn your neck with effortless grace. The 18-inch 925 sterling silver chain adds a touch of sophistication, perfectly complementing the delicate heart. Crafted from fine cotton thread, this necklace boasts a lightweight feel, ensuring comfort while you showcase your unique style. Now, let's see the love heart earrings and necklace together. This matching set creates a harmonious look, blending timeless elegance with modern charm. The combination of the delicate red hearts and the sleek 925 sterling silver adds a perfect touch of sophistication to any outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or adding a bit of flair to your everyday style, this duo is sure to make a statement. Next up, we're introducing the enchanting pink version of our love heart necklace. This delightful piece adds a playful twist to the timeless design, with a soft pink heart that exudes charm and femininity. Like its red counterpart, it features an 18-inch 925 sterling silver chain for that perfect touch of sophistication. And while we're showcasing the necklace here, don't forget we also offer matching pink earrings to complete the set, available on our website. This pink collection is perfect for adding a subtle pop of colour to your ensemble. Now let's shift our focus to our flat heart micro crochet earrings. These intricately crafted beauties redefine elegance with their delicate design. Each stitch is meticulously woven to create a stunning flat heart shape that dangles gracefully. Lightweight and comfortable, these drop earrings are perfect for all-day wear, adding a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Get ready to fall in love with the artistry and charm of our flat heart micro crochet earrings. As we continue our journey through the world of exquisite accessories, we come to our next captivating piece, the vintage lace-style earrings. These earrings are more than just accessories. They're a window into a bygone era of elegance and refinement. Imagine delicate lace adorning your ears, whispering tales of romance and sophistication. With each intricate detail, these earrings weave a story of timeless beauty, inviting you to embrace the allure of vintage fashion. Join us as we explore the intricate craftsmanship and undeniable charm of our vintage lace-style earrings. Up next, we have our Union Jack-inspired Granny Square earrings. These earrings pay homage to the iconic colours of the Union Jack in a playful yet stylish design. They're perfect for adding a bold statement to any outfit. Next in line, we have a striking pair of earrings inspired by the Bulgarian flag. These beauties capture the essence of Bulgarian pride with their vibrant colours and intricate design. Continuing our exploration of micro-crochet accessories, we now unveil our charming pumpkin necklace. Crafted with meticulous detail, this accessory seamlessly extends the whimsical spirit of the season. As we venture further into the realm of captivating micro-crochet accessories, behold our stunning rainbow necklace. This eye-catching piece is a celebration of colour, intricately crafted to add a playful pop to your ensemble. As we conclude our journey through the mesmerising world of micro-crochet accessories, we've explored a diverse array of designs, from whimsical pumpkins to vibrant rainbows. Each piece embodies craftsmanship, creativity, and a touch of magic. Whether you're drawn to the nostalgia of vintage lace or the festive spirit of seasonal motifs, there's something for everyone.